Okay guys, this is a real easy one. I grabbed this 5x7 frame from the Dollar Tree. After unpackaging it, I took the backing off and took out the glass. Also at the Dollar Tree, I grabbed these large popsicle sticks and I began hot gluing them to the back. Gluing them, stacking on one on top of the other. So for extra support, I put one popsicle stick diagonally. I broke another one in half and put on either side just to give the popsicle stick something to adhere to. I then took the original backing and glued it to the back of all the popsicle sticks. I then took Wise Owl Antique Villa and painted the entire thing white. And I put that aside to dry. I found this scrap paper from Michael's and this stencil also from Michael's with multiple sizes of hearts. And I traced one of the larger hearts, making sure the word love was prominent in the center, and cut that out. With this paper, the options are limitless, guys. You could do whatever you want. I then took some plaid ribbon and made a small bow. I cut the excess ribbon and glued it to my paper heart, the bow. Then I grabbed my frame again and some 220 grit sandpaper and started sanding, especially around the edges of the frame where you see the detail, to give it a chippy, distressed look. I then simply took my heart and glued it in the center of my frame, and then took some jute and wrapped it several times around the bottom, tying it in the rear of the frame. And that's it. Super cute.